Nah ini nih danau yang sebelahnya.
18,000 people.
The architecture at all of these
Luas banget ya.
religious sites that we've been to
Wow,
in Southeast Asia so far.
Are stunning. It's like, wow.
Danaunya
It
bagus.
has 5 pillars representing the 5 pillars of Islam.
I just felt an overwhelming amount of peace. I'd highly recommend you go and hopefully you feel the same thing.
Assalamualaikum. We are going to
Orang Jepang.
iftar in Malaysia.
Oh
Let's
dia
go.
buka puasa.
It's her first time.
Yes, it's the first time.
Yay! Yalla.
Yalah.
Yelah.
As you can see, this is Masjid Sultan Ismail di
Oh, di
You can see
Batu
the Islamic
Pahat.
architecture, you know. Yes, a very
Oh ini yang biru dulu itu yang kita
and
lihat.
peaceful feeling here.
This
Normally-
place is ginormous. Malaysia is absolutely insane when it comes to the masjids. Like it might be
Masjid mana
closed.
ini?
Oh yeah, no, that's locked. We have to go around.
Wow.
Look at the size of this
Keren banget tuh.
courtyard. Extends out the entire area. How
Masjid mana
stunning
ya?
is that?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke teman-teman semua kembali lagi di Indoriek TV. Masih bersama saya Bang Anton dan Oke.
Indo React TV.
Nah, kamu masih ingat nggak waktu itu kita pernah reaction tentang masjid-masjid di Malaysia?
Ya.
Banyak masjid kan di Malaysia tuh yang bagus-bagus dan indah-indah. Nah, sekarang kita bakal lihat yang kayak gitu juga. Kita lihat masjid-masjid di Malaysia. Tetapi ini reaksi-reaksi orang asing yang pertama kali masuk ke masjid Malaysia. Ada kan juga yang non-muslim bisa masuk ke masjid gitu. Asal pakai baju tertutup gitu, pakai kan ada kalau di Jakarta tuh Masjid Istiqlal itu boleh dimasukin kayak ada guide-nya, dikasih tahu ini untuk apa supaya orang
Baju sopan yang
ya, supaya orang non muslim bisa itu tahu agama Islam itu seperti apa. Nah kayak gitu juga di Malaysia ternyata. Di Malaysia ada beberapa masjid yang boleh dimasuki oleh orang-orang non muslim dan kita lihat aja reaksi-reaksi mereka orang-orang asing ini saat pertama kali masuk ke masjid di Malaysia ya. Yuk. Oke, yang pertama kita lihat ini ada durian Mina ini ya di Masjid Putrajaya. Oh, Putrajaya nih. Putrajaya boleh dimasukin.
Putrajaya Mas.
Nah, yang pernah aku masukin itu.
Ya.
I regret coming to the mosque today.
Oh, orang Korea.
Oh, ada bajunya ya.
Ya, dikasih bajunya biar sopan. Bukan sopan sih kan masuk masjid kalau cewek-cewek kan harus tutup. Sayonara.
I just wear a hooded robe to cover my hair, arms and legs, and I realized that my gesture of prayer was wrong. Until the moment I entered, I was a traveler visiting Putrajaya Mosque. But when I started praying, I couldn't hold back my
Ngikut doa deh.
I should have visited here earlier. How can I express this feeling? Even if I was a Muslim, it felt like we were accepting our sincere prayers. I feel like what I wish is going to reach the end of the sky peacefully. I think I will go to the
Yang
mosque
dalam.
often to feel this peace. May I?
Semoga mendapatkan hidayah ya.
Amin.
Kalau aku dulu masuk sini dikira bukan orang Islam, dikira bukan Muslim, ditanya sama penjaganya. Sir, ada yang Muslim? Ya, aku bilang. Assalamualaikum katanya. Waalaikumsalam. Karena ini ku kan cat kan rambutku dulu. Jadi dikiranya orang Chinese mungkin. Oh ini juga di Putrajaya nih. Masjid Pink.
We just made it to country number 4, Malaysia.
And we are at the Putra Mosque. Putra.
Tapi dia nggak ada guide-nya ya di sini ya. Nggak dikasih tahu ini untuk apa. Atau ada ya, nggak tahu lah ya. Aku juga nggak tahu.
So apparently,
Ya kamu yang udah
one of
pernah
the newer
masuk kan?
mosques out in
Oh, pernah bertemu nggak?
Bertemu apa?
Pas masuk, ya itu ada yang turis
Enggak.
yang masuk kayak.
Kan kalau orang Islam ya masuk-masuk aja. Kalau orang non Muslim ada batasnya, harus lewat sini, gitu. Ada jalannya sendiri.
No, in 1997.
97 dibangun. Nah ini nih danau yang sebelahnya.
18,000 people.
The architecture at all of these
Bagus banget ya.
religious sites that we've been to out in
Bagus itu.
Southeast Asia so far.
Are stunning. It's like, wow.
Danaunya
It
bagus.
has 5 pillars representing the 5 pillars of Islam.
Again, it's our first time at a mosque, so
Ever.
if you guys have any tips or any other mosques out in Malaysia while we're here,
Banyak
let us
banyak.
know. We're trying to immerse ourselves in every single culture and every single country that we go to. There's really beauty everywhere that you go in the world.
Wah,
And
bagus
sometimes
katanya.
the media wants to tell you otherwise, don't they?
That's very true. It's pretty insane.
Penjaganya tuh di sini nih. Ada tuh security-nya di situ. Kalau orang Muslim masuk aja sholat biasa bebas.
Bebas ya tanpa lapor.
Ini Putrajaya lagi ya.
Alright, y'all, this is
Kebanyakan
Putra
Putrajaya,
Mosque
ya.
in Putrajaya. It is absolutely amazing, gorgeous. I learned a lot of stuff today. I had an amazing time at the mosque. Literally, I stayed
Oh, boleh
around the
foto-foto
mosque for
juga dah.
Boleh foto-foto kan, tapi ada batasnya tuh. Tadi tuh jangan sampai mengganggu yang lagi ibadah kan.
several hours. I just felt an overwhelming amount of peace. I'd highly recommend you go and hopefully you feel the same thing there.
Oh, dia merasa damai
Yeah,
masuk
it
masjid.
was
Kenapa nggak masuk Islam aja kamu?
Absolutely amazing, y'all.
Di Kuala Lumpur bagus, di Masjid Jami bagus juga. Aku ada beberapa masjid yang sudah aku masukin di sana itu. Putrajaya 2 di Putrajaya, di Melaka 1, di Kuala Lumpur banyak gitu. Berapa biji lupa aku.
Setiap sholat mampir ya.
Setiap sholat mampir.
Assalamualaikum. We are going
Orang
to
Jepang.
iftar in Malaysia.
Oh, dia buka puasa.
It's her first time. Yes, it's the first time. Yay. Yalla.
Yalah.
Yalla.
Ini masjid mana nih? Oh, ini di Kuala Lumpur nih. Ini masjid KL bukan? Bentar guys. Masjid mana dia nih? Nggak ada tulisannya guys. Masjid mana nih?
Itu ya.
Ya di KL tapi nggak tahu masjid mana. Dia ikut buka puasa. Apa itu bubur ya?
Itu kayak
Bubur kacang hijau. Bubur itu, bubur nasi.
おかゆみたい。
Iya bubur.
美味しい。みんなご飯食べたらすぐにお祈りに行っちゃった。たくさん食べるんじゃなくて、ちょっと食べてもう終わり。今日一日何も食べてなかったのにびっくり。それも京都の人たちは我慢強いと思います。思います。私だったら今でももぐもぐ食べたいです。まだお腹すくよね。Still hungry. So we gonna eat cendol. Yay, 美味しそう。
Wih, mantap.
Bismillah. いただきます。チャンドル。チャンドル。いただきます。うまい。美味しいね。
Oishi, oishi.
Assalam.
Tapi sudah cocok lah jadi muslim mereka berdua nih. Nggak tahu satunya kayaknya pakai hijab tuh, tapi belum tentu ya.
belum tentu.
Tapi nggak tahu itu di masjid mana tadi guys ya, di KL tapi nggak tahu masjid mana itu.
Kamu belum masuk berarti kalau kayak gitu.
Ya agak mirip sama yang di masjid KLCC itu, tapi nggak tahu tuh betul apa enggak. Oh ini di mana?
In Malay, tak kenal maka tak cinta. So, as you know, Malaysia is a Muslim majority country.
Oh ini yang tadi ya, bulenya tadi yang masuk Putrajaya tadi, dia pengen tahu banget soal Islam berarti.
Official religion of this country is Islam.
And I love that.
Yeah, it's a beautiful religion, and as you can see, This is Masjid Sultan Ismail.
Oh,
You
di
can see
Batu
the Islamic
Pahat.
architecture, you know.
Yes.
It's a very
Oh, ini yang biru dulu itu yang
and
kita lihat.
peaceful feeling here.
Okay.
Normally they have 5 prayer times.
Okay.
And each prayer time you can hear the azan.
The azan,
or the
they
call
call
to
the
prayer.
prayer.
Yeah. So as you can see, it's a really large mosque. It's the main mosque in Batu Pahat. You feel that? I feel that. This is the place for the imam to speak and lead the prayer for every
Iya ya.
Friday prayer.
Ini kan orang
main
US
prayer
dia
for
nih.
Muslim men.
Iya orang US kan.
Especially on
Kemarin juga pernah kita lihat kan orangnya.
Yeah. So the masjid is not only a place of prayer, of course mainly it is, but a lot of other Muslim community functions like weddings and Maulidur Rasul all are held here. Yeah, true.
Oh.
So the capacity is like 3,000 to 4,000 people can pray at once.
Orang.
Before prayer, they have to take wudu. Wudu is like to cleanse, like they have to wash their feet, face, their elbow.
Dia belajar.
That's why we
Dia
keep it without
belajar.
slipper.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Tapi dia
Normally
kayaknya
this
penasaran
is,
banget sama
now
Islam.
about 4:15.
Kayaknya interest
So
banget.
shortly after this will be approaching Asar. Asar. Normally there's not that many people. More people gather together and pray during Maghrib, which is about 7:30 p.m. and after that Isha.
Okay.
Because most
Sana
finish
maghrib
work
jam
and stuff.
7.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So
Setengah 8 malam.
this currently now is
Tapi masih terang kan?
Bilal is the assistant to the imam, so he's calling the call to prayer for Asar. The black shirt is the imam, so now all they will gather and pray. The prayers, they speak louder. But
Yang itu enggak itu,
they don't know
yang
Asar
sholat.
and before the
Guide.
they speak softer. I mean, they will chant pray softer. Okay, so you know that Muslims they need to pray 5 times a day, right? The info about that is that Nabi Muhammad received the command for 5 daily prayers known as Salat
Dia juga
or
baca
Salah
loh.
during the Miraj, the night journey.
Tapi dia tadi nggak sholat, orang sholat dia nggak sholat.
And this was the final reduction from the initial command of 50 prayers per day. So now the reduction is to 5 prayers.
You have a lot of knowledge about Islam.
Yeah, I mean because a lot of friends and we live in a multicultural society, so I believe that
Apa dia nggak sholat
you
ya?
know to know
Dia bukan
like
Islam.
in Malay we
Mungkin.
say tak kenal tak cinta.
Cuma dia.
You don't know.
Makanya
you
dia
don't love,
baca
so
kan,
you have to know,
tapi-
you know our friends, our peers,
Gotcha.
what their daily lives and everything, their aspects of their religion, their culture.
Gotcha.
So I believe this is one way that how we maintain the peace and harmony and understanding
Gotcha.
among different races in
To know
our
me,
country.
to know me is to love me.
Yeah. In Malay, tak kenal maka tak cinta.
Tak kenal maka tak cinta. Mantap. Iya betulan dia tuh penasaran betul ya.
Ya.
Kayaknya sebentar lagi mau dapat hidayah orang.
Ya bisa jadi dia mumpung di situ mengunjungi masjid-masjid yang ada di Malaysia kan, bisa jadi juga.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning.
Wah ini juga.
First day.
Wah ini Islam nih sudah.
Visiting the
Muslim orangnya. Masjid Ukay Perdana.
No, I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know how people were going to treat me. I also didn't care because this is a personal journey for me, but I have to say, without doubt, some of the most sincere and genuine people approached me during my 2.5 hours at the mosque. And a special mention has to go to the gentleman on the screen that I'm pointing to. It's called Saiful. He very kindly brought me to the mosque.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning.
Jangan subuh dia. Apa
Ke
sholat
situ.
subuh? Dia ini Muslim atau bukan ya?
Muslim kayaknya.
Oh, kita lihat komen nih. Saya baru tahu awak Muslim. Moga Allah merahmati awak dan kita semua. Iya, Muslim dia nih. Luar biasa loh dia nih. Orang banyak yang nggak sholat subuh, dia sholat subuh jam. Tapi biasanya mu'alaf kayak gitu tuh lebih taat beribadahnya.
Iya, karena dia malah serius kan,
Iya, jadi-
ketimbang ya
Yang-
ya nggak gitu dah.
Ya kebanyakan sih mu'alaf tuh ibadahnya lebih bagus.
What are you doing?
Nah ini yang tadi.
I'm reciting Quran. Today
Berarti
is
Islam
30
dia.
years of
Iya, dia
Ramadan.
Muslim dia ini. Tuh ikut sahur, ikut sholat,
Iya, Muslim.
ikut itu dia puasa.
I'm reciting.
Tapi enggak, tadi dia nggak sholat, dia megangin handphone dan ngeliatin orang sholat doang. Ya kan? Nggak tahu muslim apa bukan, kita lihat juga ini. Alhamdulillah, Mayu istiqomah in Islam. Amin. Entahlah muslim apa bukan. Itulah keindahan Islam ya, banyak betul yang karena hanya dengar azan, karena hanya lihat masjid, dengar ayat suci Al-Quran, itu bisa-bisa mereka dapat hidayah loh. Luar biasa ya.
This place is ginormous. Malaysia is absolutely insane when it comes to the masjids. Like it might be closed. Oh yeah, no, that's locked. We have to go around.
Wow.
Look at the size of this courtyard. Extends out the entire area. How
Masjid mana
stunning
ya?
is that? Wow. It's almost Maghrib time.
Bentar. Federal Territory Mosque. Di mana ya? Di Kuala Lumpur. Pernah nggak aku kesini?
You're the Adani, and I'm gonna give you some shots of the inside.
Itu gede banget.
Iya.
Just like the masjid, they have
Masih
whole
jame apa ini?
going all the way around.
Gak ada namanya ya.
The architecture is absolutely peak. The National Masjid here in Malaysia is beautiful.
Masjid Nasional.
But this is like I'm in some castle. One thing that I absolutely love about praying in Malaysia, after every single Isha prayer, they always recite Surah Mulk every single time.
dia ni
I
Muslim.
got here before Maghrib,
Dia tahu
and
Surah
now
Mulk.
it's like 20 minutes
Kan
past
jadi
Isha. I
baca.
swear, it feels like I just got here. Subhanallah. How
Subhanallah katanya.
beautiful this place is.
Muslim ini.
This place is giant.
Federal Territory Mosque and Prayer Experience. Oh iya. Ini masjid jami bukan ya? Aku nggak ke dalamnya soalnya. Waktu aku ke masjid jami di luarnya aja, nggak ke dalamnya karena sudah malam kan. Malam banget.
This is my first time coming to a masjid to buka puasa.
And then puasa dia ini juga orang Muslim apa bukan?
Ask my viewers, apakah tips yang korang boleh bagi aku?
Chinese dia.
Wear cheap shoes. So I pakai slipper je. I've been here since 5 o'clock and I was here to listen to them talk about the importance of paying zakat. If there's one thing about masjid kan, oh my god, the soft carpet, the air conditioning.
Orang buat disolatin.
Ngantuk gila. But I have to be respectful. But like so cozy kan. Now we are going to buka puasa together. Oh my god, what a vibe. Ramainya today. I heard people have been queuing since 6:40, right? Yes, 6:40. Wow. Okay. But I can see like people are like waiting to buka puasa together. I cannot wait to join them. I'm so excited. Oh. Dah ready. Thank you. Terima kasih.
Apa itu?
Silemas.
Outside was terlalu packed and they move us inside here.
Wih. Mantap betul buka puasanya. Rendang.
Today's buka puasa there's no ringtone. We are at a masjid, so kita akan buka puasa based on azan.
Dia based on ringtone masa.
Azan kan?
Dia nunggu.
No, this is my first ever mosque that I attended. Yeah.
Ini famous ni.
Oh, biasa-biasa je. Boleh ya? Semua dah kata boleh ya? Okay. Selamat berbuka sayang. The nasi is so good. Sebenarnya my Ramadan day 11 and puasa day 11 is
Dia ikut puasa 11 hari sudah.
Itu
Ikut
Asmi
puasa.
sedih, betul-betul ada puasa ke? I am at the God's house. I won't lie. Okay? I'll see you for sahur later. After buka puasa, I can see a lot of people are going to solat. Obviously, I'm not joining. Don't ask me to join solat because I don't understand what's gonna happen there.
Tuh. Dia nggak ikut sholat, berarti dia bukan muslim. Dia ikut aja. kita lihat komen. Muka dia tunggu azan tuh baik betul macam anak yang baik. Semoga Allah bimbing dan pilih saudara untuk mempelajari dan mendalami Al-Quran satu hari nanti. Amin. Iya, kayaknya belum deh. Dia belum mu'alaf ya. Dia baru ikut experience, dia merasakan pengalamannya aja dulu mungkin. Mungkin nanti hatinya suatu hari dikasih hidayah kan.
Amin.
POV, you decide to spend Ramadan in Malaysia and this is your iftar view. Ini kayaknya di Masjid KLCC nih.
Dekat KLCC ya.
Tuh. Dia ikut iftar juga buka puasa.
Kebanyakan orang sana pas buka puasa pas puasa ya, bulan Ramadan.
Ya enak di sana. Kalau bulan Ramadan rame. Itu juga banyak yang jual-jualan itu loh, yang bazar Ramadan tuh.
Bazar Ramadan.
Iya, jadi orang banyak situ.
I'm Mark. Hello, I'm Mark from Belgium.
Oh, dari
we're a
Belgia.
visit here of our daughter and stepson and grandchildren who live here in Malaysia.
Oh.
We are very pleased by the visit we got here from the fantastic mosque.
Wah,
with
ini.
a lot of
Oh ini
information.
nih yang ini Masjid Jami nih kalau nggak salah. Kalau nggak salah ya. Aduh, lupa.
And I was
banyak
very
masjid yang
impressed
kamu datangin.
by the faith of Islamic people. And
Iya, berarti ini tadi tuh National Masjid tadi, ini Masjid Jami nih.
the street faith they have.
Iya bukan guys. Aduh, aku lupa juga nih. Masjid wilayah tuh kan. Tuh. Masjid wilayah tuh Kuala Lumpur. Tapi kayak nggak tahu ini Masjid Jami bukan Masjid wilayah tuh beda sama Masjid Jami. Apa sama gitu.
The religion. And also,
Soalnya aku nggak masuk
that
waktu itu.
they
Jadi aku nggak
have
tahu dalamnya.
They believe that there is one God, like in other religions, but Islamic is the one religion they believe in. Thank you very much.
Bule Belgia ini terkesan betapa indahnya Islam dan bagusnya masjid itu ya, mantap. Oke, itu udah tadi guys, kita sudah lihat reaksi-reaksi orang-orang asing itu saat pertama kali masuk ke dalam masjid Malaysia. Mereka merasakan kagum, takjub, dan merasakan juga ketenangan, peaceful ya. Mungkin itu salah satu dari hidayah yang pelan-pelan masuk ke dalam hatinya ya. Dengan hanya melihat masjid yang indah-indah, yang bagus-bagus di Malaysia, mereka sudah tersentuh gitu.
Ya, bisa jadi.
Bisa jadi itu salah satu hidayah ya. So, nanti kita lihat lagi video-video menarik dari Malaysia tentunya. Dan terima kasih untuk teman-teman yang sudah menonton dari awal sampai akhir. Terima kasih juga untuk teman-teman yang sudah support dan donasi lewat QR Code di video ini. Jangan lupa juga untuk subscribe dan like video ini. Sampai jumpa lagi di video selanjutnya. Akhir kata, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.